install the needed software, which is really easy as it's just like installing any other software. I'll start with JDK or Java Development Kit. That's it. For Maven, all we need to do is unzip for now. That's it. Later on, we'll add the Maven bin folder to system path so Windows will know where to find them. Next, I will install Intellij. This might take a while. I will pause the video for now and return at the end of the installation screen. And that's it. We're done installing Intellij, Maven, and the Java Development Kit. Next, we need to update our path system variable so Windows will know where our newly installed software are located. Let's test first some commands if they work. It seems that in Java 17, the paths are automatically configured. Now let's try Maven. Of course it won't work because all we did earlier was unzip the file. So let's go and add Maven's bin directory to system path. Copy the bin folder path. Open Control Panel and click Advanced System Settings. Click Environment Variables and here's the path. Click Edit, click New and then Paste. Let's see if it works now. Nope. Let's close the command prompt window and open it again and then let's try again. Okay, now we see Maven is already recognized and it tells us the current version installed. Up next, I will download the drivers for the different browsers. Let's go to selenium.dev and then documentation. Installing browser drivers. Let's check first our Chrome version and let's make sure we download the driver version that match our browser version. For Firefox, just download the latest driver. I will copy the drivers to this folder, and by the way, this is just an arbitrary folder, so you can choose a different folder location if you want to. Then again, just like in the previous step, I need to update this folder to our system path. And now let's test. Okay, we are now ready to create our first Selenium script. Let me open Intellij, click New Project, select Maven, and then Next. Enter a name, let's say First Script. Maven Projects automatically creates this folder structure. The test classes lives here in test/java. The pom.xml file contains information about project and configuration. We will add the Selenium WebDriver as project dependency by editing this file. Let's go back to selenium.dev, installing Selenium libraries. This is the XML code we need. We have to wrap this in a dependencies tag. For the version, let's pull up Maven Central and search for Selenium Java. Let's copy and paste it back to our pom.xml file. And then click this M icon and Maven will try to resolve our new project dependencies. Okay, so it's done downloading all our dependencies. As you can see here, the font color is no longer red. Next, let's create our first Selenium script. Let's create a new Java class. Let's call this first test, and then create a main method. Just type in psvm for public static void main, then tab, and then let's just copy a sample code from the official documentation. Then let's add the code to open a website and then quit the browser. Let's do another one for Firefox, and let's run. In real projects, you'd normally use a test runner to run tests. Let us try that. I will update the project to use JUnit. Let's visit the Maven central site again and search JUnit. Latest version is 5, but let's use 4 for now. Let's paste this back to our home.xml. Click M and Maven will again try to resolve the dependencies. Now let's create a test class. Let's call this one first test class. Let's create our first test method and copy paste the code from our first test class. Let's do the same for Firefox. And then let's run. Intellij will recognize our test class and display the tests and their results over here at the lower left portion. That's it. Thank you.